Hi, this is Ray. If you've purchased one of my SVG files or anybody else's for that matter, and when you import it, it looks like one of the two on this screen, either all white with no perforated lines or other cut lines showing, or all black. Here's how you fix that. First, right click and ungroup. Then you can click this and you see over here you have that selected. This, it's on top of your basic cut. So take this one, drag it down here, and now all your lines show. Same thing, the other, ungroup, and it's up here, and here's the basic cut underneath it. Drag it down here, and now you have lines. And if you want to be able to see this better, you can click this one and change it to, let's say, white also. I hope this helps you. If you have any other problems, my email is on the screen. Thanks for watching.